If you are new in training and you want to move up to the next level, what can you do? This is what I did many years ago. I wanted to become a motivational speaker. I went to the local bookstore and I bought all the books on motivation. So I end up with hundreds of books on motivation, and I read books written by Zig Ziglar, Robin Sharma, Bob Proctor, Anthony Robbins, Brian Tracy, and so many others. And why I did that? Because I want to know the ideas and the thoughts of these authors and speakers, and they are all very successful in their own rights. And ladies and gentlemen, when you are new as a speaker, as a trainer, you need to spend time do research, especially about the authors and trainers and speakers in your own subject matter. If you want to become an expert in customer service, buy all the books in the bookstore that you can find. Perhaps you need to buy books from Ron Kaufman, the guy who is staying in Singapore, and you can also learn from Brian Tracy, you can also learn from Jack Canfield, you can also learn from all these gurus who are talking about service. And you can see that your mind will expand, your knowledge will grow, and your confidence will increase. Ladies and gentlemen, a trainer is not a good trainer if the trainer has very limited knowledge. Therefore, it's very important for you and I to educate, constantly educating yourself with new knowledge, with the knowledge of others. But it is not enough. In the process of learning from others, you certainly will find some new ideas, sexy ideas. They will come to you, and you can actually incorporate your ideas in your training. Now, when you spend time reading 100 books on the same subject matter, you somehow will actually activate the creativity switch in your mind. You become creative and you become very, very sensitive to the jargon and to the terminology used by the speakers and authors in the subject matter. Supposedly, someone invite me to talk about motivation today. After 20 years speaking on motivation, I am just ready to go. I'm ready to motivate the students, I'm ready to motivate the single mothers, I'm ready to motivate the working adults, I'm ready to motivate the CEOs. So it can give me different demographics of audience, I'm ready to motivate them. Why? Because I have some information about single mothers, students, working adults, unemployed, leaders, managers, CEOs, business owners, and also government servants. So if you care enough to become the best trainer or presenter in your subject matter, in your industry, you need to spend time to build yourself solid, and this is a prerequisite to become a world-class speaker and trainer. Today is the best time for you to go global, and I just bought the domain JacksonNGinternational.com. JacksonNGinternational.com is my new domain. I have been sitting in Malaysia for 20 years and never go international. And I feel it's time to go global. Why? Because on pandemic, we can actually do training virtually, and I want to inspire you. One day when you are ready, because you have read at least few hundred books on the same subject matter about your industry, you are ready to go. You become the subject matter expert, and you're ready to go to help people in this category and to provide solution. Thank you for watching my video, and my name is Jackson Ng, and I have helped 700 people to become certified trainers in Malaysia. If you want to know more about speaking and training industry, write to me, talk to me, WhatsApp me, and I'll be more than happy to help you get started.